Hi viewers, today we will see this charging control model. So this model number is HCW HCW L30A. So it the backside pins CH plus CH minus. This is nothing but the charger plus charger minus. So that is input signal, sorry, input voltage. This is BT means battery minus, battery plus, battery terminals. You have to connect here, this side. So let us see its operations. So here you can find the three buttons. One is set, the next is up and down. So this set button, if you press for 3 seconds, 3 seconds, you can set the up voltage, that is the maximum voltage should stop. So next is you can adjust through this up down button, so something like this. And then again you press set button, then you have to set the down voltage, that is your charger should start charging voltage. So here also that you can make it up down. Down. Here it shows the timer, time. You can set time like half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. It goes up to 99 hours you can set. So later I'll explain you why this actually we required. So to come out, keep pressing the set button till not come out. So again you have to press the set button for 3 seconds, then only it will come out. Okay, so now we can set the up voltage and then down voltage. And apart from this, if you keep pressing the down button, what it shows is on, that is it shows the relay is on. You can now switch off manually. See, the relay is switched off now. So again you can make it on manually. Now the relay is on. So this is how you can charge the battery. Next, up button. You keep pressing this. This is what any key on. Is like this backlight, LCD backlight. So if you make it off, it will be continuously switched on. If you make it on, after 5 minutes, it automatically the backlight only switch off. Okay. So short pressing this set button, it will display the up voltage, down voltage, and the time what we set. See, the short press quickly shows up, down, time. That's it. Something like this. Okay. If you don't connect the battery, it will show clearly. It will show the NBW icon will come. It will show. That means battery is not connected, like that. And when the timer is on, the display will show the information. Whereas when the primary, the charging is off, that means the relay is off, then it will not show. The LCD power is off, then it's something like all switched off, like it will look. So it is there. So here many of us will get this question: if we have a up voltage, down voltage, then why we need a time? So what does that time shows here? So that I'll explain. And this device can be connected to a computer using USB to ERT converter and a software. You can communicate to this device up voltage. You can set the up voltage, down voltage, and you can switch off the relay. Something like that you can do. So you need a USB to UART converter and a software. So I can create a software for that communication. So here you can see that here you can see RX, TX, ground. So through that you can connect to the serial converter, that UART to USB converter. Then after connecting that USB to a computer, then through a software, we can write a software or available software you can use, that you can communicate to this device. In normal condition, if you press up button, the display will show how much percentage is charged and then what is the out voltage. Again, if you press, it will show how many hours, how much time it is lapsed now. So the out voltage and then the time it will show. So again, if you press, it shows the charged percentage of charge. So I have studied with this module, so I have written the kind of notes, so it will be helpful to you also. So what is down voltage? Down voltage is a battery low voltage or connected device lower operating voltage. So battery lower voltage, where the charger should start charging. Next is the up voltage, where the charging stops. Once this is the maximum limit of the battery volt. So once that is reached, then it has to stop. Maximum operating voltage of the battery. Okay, next is the charger voltage or the input voltage we give to that module, that charging module. So input volt for the device, this model, charging control module, and for the charging battery, Okay. Next, it can be operated in two modes. There is no button like one mode, second mode, something like that. It operates by giving what input voltage we give. Depend on that it operates in two ways. So one is what I just did the research on that, I classified like up down voltage setting. Second is the time based, that is timer is used. So those two way can be used. So let us see what is that first mode, how it operates in first mode, like up down. So say example, assume that your down voltage is 10.5. So up volt is 14 volts. Up is 14 volts, and then charger voltage is 15 volts. So here the charging voltage is higher. So this is the normal. It should be like this. So up voltage is the maximum. Maximum voltage where the battery should charged. So down voltage is the lower voltage of the battery, low voltage of the battery, like that. So in this, actually once the battery goes down, to 10.5, automatically the charge, it starts charging. Then it goes up to 14 volts. So again it stops at 14 volts. So once the battery goes down, again it battery charging starts. So something like this. So you can say like, see this down voltage. Once it reaches the 10 point something, then it automatically charges starts like this. Then it reaches the up voltage, then it comes down. So depends on the load here. Here depends on the load, the voltage discharge is happening. Okay, depends on the load it happens. Okay. See here, this charge voltage is greater than up voltage, and up voltage is greater than down volt. So in this condition, this up down mode works. So next, second one is, second mode is the timer mode. Here consider the down volt is 10.5, up volt is 14 volts. So what is the change here? So charger voltage, that is input voltage, that is we are giving less 12 voltage, 12 volt only we are giving charge voltage. But whereas we set up volt as to 14 volts. So here charge voltage is 12 volt, or it can be 13, which is less than up volt. Okay, less than up volt. Okay. And the time you set for 1 hour. So assume, it's just example, time you can set for 1 hour. It can be half an hour or 2 hours, something like that. So I am taken as 1 hour as example. So here how it happens, the down voltage, once it reaches the down voltage, that is 10.5 volt, it goes up, it starts charging. So it goes like that. But actually it has to go and reach the up voltage, but it will not reach the up voltage because the charging voltage is lesser than the up voltage. So it never reach the up voltage. That is what we said here, 14 volt is the up voltage, but charging is only 12 volts. Down is 10.5. So it never reaches. So what happens? Depends on the time. What we set 1 hour time. So that 1 hour time it charges up to 1 hour time. It continuously charging to up to 1 hour time. So which we set there. So then again after 1 hour the timer switch off, and then the charger also stops charging. So again it come down. Depends on the load. It will come down. Then once it reaches the lower voltage, again the charger starts. Then again it goes up. And then it will never. It will be in the same 12 volt. This 12 volt or 11.5 volt only. It will be. It continuously goes on like that until 1 hour. It will be like that. Again the cycle like this will continue. So the timer get used depends on your input voltage. Okay, depends on your input voltage. So now we can understand what it is all about. So up, down, and timer, all those things now. So for example, for car battery charging, we can consider this as a ideal or something. It shoots for the most of the cars. Some exceptional voltage requirement also there that you have to check with your car battery rating. So suppose my car I keep like this. So down volt is 11 volts, then up volt is 14 or 14.5 can be up to 14.5 also. 14 or 14.5 you can keep. Then next, charger voltage must be greater than the up volt. So already I explained, charger voltage must be greater than the up volt. So here I should not keep it here. If it is 14.5, then I should keep it here 15. So
The max 16. So some cars it is not advisable to go up to 16 and up. So better not to keep 16. So you can keep the up voltage as 14 only, and then 14.5 is acceptable actually. So here the charging voltage can be 15 volts. Can be 14, can be 15. Like that you can keep and keep charging the car. So it will charge in 20 minutes. Finally, this video saves your time